What's up, guys? This is an interior stateroom here aboard the Adventure of the Seas on Royal Caribbean. This ship, like I said, it is dated, so a lot of what you see is kind of not up to date, but hopefully they get around to that because everywhere else around the ship is beautiful. But as you can see here, we do have two twin beds that have been split apart. If you wanted to come as a king, you can absolutely do so, but we're not here for that. You do get two nightstands. Each one comes with a drawer and then some space underneath. You got your phone over there on that nightstand, and then of course you got your big mirror here, and then you got two lamps on either side. Alrighty. It does come with a full couch. Now this is not a pull-out couch, but it is good for sitting here and watching some TV here. Also, if you're in a bed, this does swivel out. So Carnival, anybody else, we like this. Okay. Also above the TV, you do have your safe. It does look like a newer safe, where you can put your passports, cash, any important information like that. And then they do give you some additional space here if you need additional room for, you know, speakers or something like that, or anything else, suntan and lotion, whatever else you want to bring to the ship. This is the vanity space. Now it is a decent size, especially for what we need. It's very well lit. You do have storage on either side as well. You know, some more stuff so you want to put some objects. Also, it does come with two American outlets there, and then one European outlet on the other side. Now this thing, I'm not sure how well it works. It is set to off, but you can adjust the volume on it to hear the announcements. If that still works, I'm not sure. Down here we have what should be the refrigerator. Okay, more like a cooler. If you got something cold to drink, or if you got a baby, you can keep milk cool and stuff like that. Also, you do have some smaller drawers here. That's your hair blower or hair dryer. We got some more drawers here if you want to put your clothes there. This doesn't look like a lot of room to unpack. You know, I'm an unpacker, but these drawers are very, very small. So I might unpack, may not. We'll see how that goes. Here, full length body mirror. You know, if you want to check yourself out on formal night, making sure you look good, making sure you're straight. You know what I'm saying? You got that right there. And then also, let me bring you over to the closet. Now this is not a lot of closet space. They do got a bunch of shelves here for you for storage, but this is a very smaller closet. And then it appears to be there's some room here on top here for you. So on the back of your door, you will have all your emergency information, and it does tell you what deck your muster station is on. So that's what deck we go to, and we are muster station A2. And then here you have your magnet, depending on if you want your room cleaned or not. If you want to stay in here and sleep, you just put that magnet outside the door to let your room steward know. Now, I know we've been saying a lot of things in here was small, but this bathroom has got to be the smallest. Okay, now you do have your sink here. They give you two cups, and then this also opens up here, so you got a little bit more storage. I was able to put my shaving kit right there. That's about as many shelves as they give you. Of course, you got the towel racks here. Dependable toilet, which we're gonna need because we're gonna make sure we're gonna definitely eat a lot. Towel rack here. Now, this does also open up, so good benefit that there's not a curtain there, but there's not a whole lot of room to be in here messing around. So it is what it is. We're only here for 4 days, so we'll make it work. We have to make it work, but that's gonna be it for your room tour for cabin 5952, and appreciate you watching.